$130 almost dollars is what this next trio is worth that launched today. Earlier today, we launched a big deal. You are literally getting this three-piece collection for half price. It is a burst of hydration and treatment for your winter skin on face and lips in a three-piecer that begins with the $110 essence. Again, that toner step, that plumping, firming step before you moisturize, but after you cleanse. And it's free. $110 here, totally free. This is the water cream. Comes with its own little golden spatula. It's an $89 value. And it is one of the most lightweight gel cream moisturizers they offer. And they have about 5 different moisturizers in their collection. If you need skin balancing, winter dried, help me, I need hydration. I could also use some like pore smoothing, deep cleaning. This is the moisturizer for you. And it's the huge jumbo size, huge. And then Kissu Lip Scrub. Okay, so Kissu Lip Scrub is what's going to completely polish your winter lips back to a beautiful glass-like, smooth, just born out of the womb finish. So lips and face, $227, limited quantities, new today. It is half price for what we have, unless you go on auto delivery, which means you can keep getting a free $110 essence every 4 months when it ships. This was on earlier today when it launched. Over 1,000 were ordered. All right, so this is fantastic.
It's so good.
The sizes are giant, and I feel like this is the Winter Help Me collection.
Oh, yes. So this is going to be hydrating. We're treating the lips, we're treating the face. Listen, I want you getting close, because let's just talk about this. First of all, these are the size differences.
I know.
This is the standard. This is what you're getting in this. It's massive, massive. But when you get in, I'm going to tap the jar. Do you see how it is kind of bouncing and wiggling a bit? I'm going to stay there. Boop, boop. All right. The reason this is happening is because if you were to take this under a microscope, this would show compacted water bubbles, water balloons, capsulated closely, like knit together and just kind of like jiggling around. Now, the point of that is this water burst technology is holding together all of your anti-aging actives that's going to get freshly released onto the skin. Your skin's going to drink it in. We're talking Japanese wild rose, Japanese leopard lily, anti-aging superfoods, hyaluronic acid. Oh, there's also gold in there. But this, I want you to look at this orb here. This is kind of what you're seeing. Those Japanese wild rose, and then imagine another one, and they're all just kind of holding together. Then when they pop, you can feel the texture change underneath your fingertips, and I'm going to show you visually on my phone. I know this is a little weird.
No, I love this demonstration.
Because if I did it on my skin would completely absorb all of that hydration. And when you get it at home, you can actually see it, so I want you to try that. But getting really close. Do you see the beads of water here? Yay! You can't do that with other moisturizers. Hello.
Is that crazy?
Yay.
So that's why we say this is the Winter Help Me collection.
Yes.
Because if you are just parched, this is a plumping, bursting, juicy gel moisturizer that you use daily. And all 3 pieces are meant to really rehab from here to here because of drying winter.
Yes.
I love the feel of it.
This.
I love the lightweightness of it.
Oh my God.
And honestly, it is the wild rose, which you just explained. It's just, and wait till you see what happened in a study. Look what happened after 2 weeks.
So we asked everyone what they thought. Every single person agreeing that their skin looked and felt smoother. Great. 90% of our users saying their skin felt hydrated, balanced, but not oily. But they're getting the hydration because oily skin is different from hydrated, moisturized skin. So this is lightweight and you see this texture, but because those balloons are popping on your skin, it literally looks like I took water and like splashed on my arm. Do you see that? It's glistening off the light and it's the hydration. I kid you not, like that's all water.
My favorite part of that is the demonstration where, can you show it again?
Oh, yeah.
And Claudette in Wisconsin, we see you. We know you love, for 2 years now at the brand, so we're gonna come to you and get your story, but this is the proof that there are literally